So Tecno went ahead and revealed this bad boy right here, which is a tri-foldable phone concept. Now, of course, with Honor and now Xiaomi creating their own tri-foldable phones and actually releasing them, it's kind of opened up Pandora's box, and all different types of companies want to go ahead and get into this, because at the end of the day, once these phones become successful, we're going to see every single company, Samsung, potentially even Microsoft, who knows, start to get right back into the thick of things when it comes to these tri-foldable phones. So while yes, right now it seems weird, 10-inch displays, folds 3 times, in a couple years, this just might be the normal, typical foldable phone. And to a point, foldable phones might, in a way, go extinct because it's going to be all about tri-foldable phones. So Tecno posted some images of their new tri-foldable phone concept, and this is pretty much how it works. It's a 3 separate display concept. You have a bigger display in the middle, you have a smaller one on either side, the top and the bottom. And I say smaller, but I think it's actually the same exact size. You can see where my mouse pointer is right here. It does have a hinge, and it has a hinge right here. The hand is blocking it. So in the end, this is what it looks like. It has a display here, a display over here, and a display right here. And keep in mind, this is just a concept, right? This is not 100% coming out. Again, we do know that we're going to see in some capacity from, Huawei and Xiaomi, a similar type concept, because again, it's going to be a tri-foldable phone, but it's not going to be this exact one you see on your screen here. So this is kind of just pushing the envelope, kind of, Xiaomi and Xiaomi and Huawei, my brain just going brain fart there, opened up Pandora's box, and now every company just kind of wants to get a piece of it before it starts going off and this becomes the new norm, right? I still don't know how I feel about any potential tri-foldable phone. Again, my issue always with tri-foldable is durability. But you know what? That was everyone's issue before when it came to foldable phones, and now those are durable. So I guess we'll have to wait and see how this ends up turning out. But overall wise, I love to see this. Love to see the companies pushing the tech industry forward, pushing these ideas out there, because even if they don't become phones, it gives other companies an opportunity to start theorizing their own, tri-foldable phones. And then we eventually see all these other companies joining the fold and joining the industry. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.